Well, I want to tell you about an ambition of mine, a goal. In 2019, I would like to do a lot more lucid dreaming. Now, the reason why I mention this is because the last few days I've started to accidentally have lucid dreams. It's because I had a bit more rest than usual, and during the course of the sleep, I became aware that I was dreaming and I was able to do a few things. And I think in my whole life, I've had about 5 lucid dreams. And uh, each time, I think, when I become aware that I'm dreaming, I get a certain amount of stuff done in the dream, and then the excitement of the whole experience takes over, and I wake up. So, my goal is to take it seriously and to begin to systematically improve my lucid dreaming skills. And I'll tell you who I've found on YouTube who seems to be very good at this. It's someone called Tefero, and I'll put the link to their channel in the description for this video. So I'm going to be following Tefero's advice on how to do good lucid dreaming. And to keep me accountable so that I follow through on everything I say I'm going to do, I'm going to document the process and tell you about what happens in my dreams. Now, it may be that all I'll have to tell you is some dreams that I remember, or it may be that I'll be able to tell you that I did successfully lucid dream. And my goal in the lucid dream, so when I become lucid in the dream, is to actually look at things that I want to achieve in my life. I want to use the lucid dreaming experience as a way of finding out what paradigms are controlling me, and replacing those paradigms with more constructive paradigms. The reason I mention that word is because I recently did some training with Bob Proctor at an event called The Matrix. And that training talks about paradigms. We all have paradigms. They're a collection of habits that we have which enable us to do things. And sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad. They're a collection of habits that you do automatically without thinking. They're in your subconscious brain. So because your subconscious is what's being explored in a dream, my simple thought was that by becoming lucid during the dream, I'd have a better ability to communicate with my subconscious mind and effect changes. So that's my intent. I'll let you know how I get on in a series of videos which will be coming up after this one. They might be daily or they might be weekly. Sometimes my schedule makes it easier to make a video, sometimes it doesn't. It'll be really interesting to see how this sort of lucid dreaming vlog works out over the course of the rest of the year. Stay tuned if you find this interesting, and thank you for watching. Oh yeah, if you do find this interesting, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment and let me know that you're watching. Otherwise, I'll get on with this because I'm fascinated by it and I'll do it anyway. Yeah, that's about all I have to say. Oh, this is comfortable on the sofa. I don't want to get up.